Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Yubo subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few ways to do this. So I'm going to show you for iPhone users, Android users, and if you're using the web as well. So for iPhone users, iOS, what you first need to do is open up the settings app on your phone, then tap on your Apple ID. It should be located at the top of the screen there, your name. Select subscriptions. Find and tap on Yubo. From the list of active subscriptions, tap cancel subscription and confirm. And for Android device users, what you need to do is open up your Play Store. Now, once you've opened up your Play Store, click on your user profile, top right hand corner of the page here, and you want to click into payments and subscriptions. Click on subscriptions, and this is where all your current and active subscriptions are. Go ahead and click on Yubo and then click cancel. And now if you want to cancel it on the Yubo website, so first go to the Yubo website and then make sure to log in. Go to your account settings, navigate to the subscription section, click on cancel subscription and confirm your cancellation. Once you've cancelled, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. And you also should get an email notifying that you've cancelled your subscription as well.